Just my, okay, ready? Okay, we are doing a tutorial on makeup and we're already, halfway through the process, but we forgot to video, so we're gonna go over this. Right now, we are using a beautiful palette of color with an old brush, and we're gonna use brown, not the sparkly kind. We're gonna like just, defining all of her features here, really around the nose. We really want to go. Yeah, we're creating a hardworking man and someone who just got off work, maybe someone who works at a mine, someone named Patrick. No big deal. So yeah, this is kind of what somebody named Patrick who works at a mine looks like when he gets off work. We use mascara for the great chin hair here, and mascara for that mustache. It's a pretty good mustache, and those eyebrows, wow. Oh, they look good. Let me see. You got a little too pink of lips. We got to make that a little whiter. Yeah, like you're dehydrated and you don't drink water all day long. Something like that. It's fine. Don't laugh. You gotta be like scowly, like someone named Patrick is after work. I mean, if there was a Patrick out there that happened to work at a mine that had dirt on his face every day after work. Okay, so we're gonna take this look and we're gonna add ooh, I like this one. Wow, this is not my makeup, but it's fine. So we found it in one of our really old drawers. I think we're gonna go a little darker on some of these spots. Oh yes, that's really good. It's really defining her eyes. It's pretty. I mean, it's not, but it's doing the job. So yeah, I think we need to work a little more on the eyebrows. So we're gonna go ahead and get this handy dandy eyeliner out, and we're just gonna go ahead and really work those. Yeah, that's good. And it's okay if it's not even, because whose eyebrows are unless they're not real. So we want our eyebrows to say wow. They're eye wows. Yes.
It's gonna take me a year to get that off.
Shh, it's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in this that's it's fine if you mess up a little. It's fine. I mean, who really shaves that well anyways? Yeah, and we'll go ahead and give her some scruff all through here. Like, oh yeah, that's actually pretty good. Wow. Okay, so now we have no, go ahead and keep that on her. So now we have the handy dandy mine shirt that we're gonna go ahead and let her put on. Go ahead. And oh, maybe don't get that in there. Thanks. Great. Oh, this is it, huh? Okay, so this over here. This is what a handy. It's fine. We'll make it work. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and take her hair and pin it up. Good. Can you keep that on her? Thanks. That'd be great.
Oh.
And there's the pins. Fantastic. We're gonna she has her hair in a ponytail. We're just gonna kind of twist it. Fold it in half. Get that bobby pin and try not to cut her with it. It's fine. And come over here. Crisscross that bobby pin. Yeah. Great. Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and take this wig. Now, this doesn't necessarily look like a Patrick. I mean, if there was a Patrick that worked at a mine, but it's gonna work, so it's fine.
Can you put it on backwards and have like a mullet?
No, it's good. Yes, that's good. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and make it really, working hard. Yeah.
It's coming off.
That's good. It's coming off. Yeah, that's good. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and have this. Oh no, you can't do that. You got to get a little more manly looks. That's good. Okay.
Men don't blow kisses.
And we're gonna go. They do actually.
Oh.
Sometimes.
Okay.
Okay, and then it's gotta get a work jacket on. Oh, that's good. Yeah. Okay, so this is our makeup tutorial for if you just decide one day, hey, I want a mustache, and maybe a beard and some eyebrows. So someday you might just be in the mood to just be like, hey,